Hello, today we'll be making delicious apple crumble in a mug. Here are the ingredients. First of all, peel the apple and dice it into small cubes. Transfer the apples to a bowl. To the apples, add 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Mix it up and let it rest in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Now to another bowl, add 5 tablespoons oats, 1 tablespoon flour, 2 teaspoons powdered white sugar, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds, and 3 tablespoons butter. Mix it up. Now add the apple mixture into the mug. Top it up with the oats mixture. Microwave it for 2.5 minutes and the apple crumble is ready. To enhance the taste, top it with vanilla ice cream and chopped almonds. Enjoy!